In this video, you learn how to use IBM Universal Behavior Exchange, or UBX, to share IBM digital analytics data with IBM Engage. You'll see how that data is stored in Engage and how to use that data in Engage to create queries and automated marketing programs. The marketing team at CityCool, an online retailer, wants to increase conversions by targeting visitors who visited the website, added items to their cart, but didn't convert. Anthony, a customer data analyst, uses IBM Digital Analytics to identify visitors who abandoned, the items they had in their cart, and more. Evan, the channel owner, wants to target those visitors using IBM Engage in the IBM Marketing Cloud. Edward, a performance analyst, will make this remarketing campaign possible using UBX. Let's take a closer look. When you request a UBX account, the UBX provisioning team registers your licensed IBM Commerce Solutions when it creates your account. To provision the Engage account, you need to provide the ID for the database you'd like to receive UBX data. This must be a non-keyed database with a lookup key on the email field, used as the identifier. Your Engage org must have the capacity for one additional relational table. The provisioning team will add the relational table and the X1 ID text field, the unique identifier with a lookup key that associates the relational table with the database. Both Digital Analytics and Engage are registered endpoints. You can share IBM recognized events between the registered endpoints. In the UBX Events tab, click Subscribe to Events. Select the data source. From the Select Events column, select the provider, IBM, and the endpoint, IBM Digital Analytics. Select the events you want to use as criteria in your campaigns. What these events mean depend on how your site is tagged for digital analytics. For example, abandoned conversion, cart abandonment, and cart abandonment item can provide information about incomplete transactions on your site. You can select more than one event to share. Let's share all of them. In the Select Destinations column, select IBM Engage. Click Subscribe. Digital Analytics now shares events with Engage. As new events are detected, the data is available for queries and automated programs. Let's take a look at what data is available in Engage and how to use it. In Engage, go to Data, View Data. The event data from Digital Analytics is sent to the database you selected when you provisioned IBM Engage as an endpoint. In this case, it is the master database. UBX creates and sends the X1 ID with the event data. If the email address of the individual who initiated the event already exists in the database, the record is updated with the X1 ID field. If not, a new record is created. The X1 ID field associates the cart data with the database record. The relational table, UBX cart, can contain information about cart items purchased or abandoned. This event data can now be used for queries and programs. Let's take a look at the event data in a query. When you create a query, you can find UBX event data under Universal Behavior. You have the option to select these commerce behaviors, such as abandoned or purchased a cart. You can also create queries based on data that is contained in the relational table. You can also use the Universal Behavior data to add contacts to an automated program and as rules in the decision points within a program. Let's take a closer look. Note that you cannot use a query that includes universal behavior as a contact source. But you can select universal behaviors to add contacts to the program. You can also add universal behaviors directly in the rules you configure. You can also use any of the data that UBX pushed into the relational table as a criterion, or a combination of these. For example, you can configure a rule to end the program after the contact purchases. After this one-time setup in UBX, Evan has the information he needs to contact and hopefully recover customers who abandoned carts. Now that he has the digital analytics website behavior information, he can easily develop automated programs to target recent buyers with add-on suggestions, loyalty program upgrades, and more. Thanks for watching.